Teslas. A vacuum pump removes air, creating 28 inches of mercury vacuum pressure. The vacuum compressor.
The load is secure. Close the door.
Initiating seal sequence.
Copy that. Starting the roller from the center out.
We have a slight deviation near the landing gear housing.
Confirmed. Adjusting the robotic calibration.
A wide-angle shot of the F-35 Lightning II aft fuselage assembly station. The aft fuselage.
Okay, easy now. Just a few more inches to the left. Copy that. Watching the alignment pins. Looks perfect from here. Secure the mating.
Okay, this one is torqued, verified on the schematic. Go ahead and move to the inboard fitting.
The seamless joint is critical for the F-35 Lightning II's stealth capability, as any gap or discontinuity. Spar alignment is within tolerance at 0.002 inches. Confirmed. Ready for installation. A little lower, steady now. Copy that, steadying the descent. Alignment looks good on the port side.
The F-35 Lightning II uses a conventional tail configuration with two canted vertical stabilizers.
The all-moving horizontal stabilizers are called stabilators and provide pitch control without separate elevator surfaces.
The powerful electro-hydrostatic actuator can move the entire stabilator surface at high rates, providing clear on the left side. Check the alignment pin. A wide-angle shot showing the completed F-35 Lightning II airframe, with fuselage, wings, and empennage all assembled. A tracking shot moving along the length of the Pratt Whitney F135 engine for the F-35 Lightning II, showing the fan, compressor, combustor, and turbine section.
The F135 turbine section, showing the single crystal nickel alloy turbine blades. The turbine operate temperatures exceeding 3.
Bring it down slowly, we're clear on the mounts. Roger, steady descent. Hold it, slight adjustment needed, port side.
The sawtooth pattern on the F-35 Lightning II nozzle pedals helps mix the hot exhaust with cool ambient air.
Weapon bay measures 14 feet long and can carry 2,000-pound bombs or 6 AM-120 air-to-air. The serrated door edges minimize radar reflections. The doors open and close in less than 1 second, minimizing the time the aircraft's stealth is. The fighter contains over 8 miles of wiring connecting sensors, avionics, flight controls, and weapons.
Alignment looks good. Bring it in slowly.
Confirmed. Engaging locks now.
The F-35 Lightning II carries 18,500 pounds of internal fuel. The fuel tanks are integral to the airframe structure.
Each fuel line connection on the F-35 Lightning II is torqued to specification and safety wired, preventing leaks during flight operations.
The landing gear on the F-35 retracts into internal bays, maintaining the smooth, stealth exterior during flight.
The nose gear supports 20,000 pounds and provides steering capability up to 60 degrees, including a launch bar attachment for catapult launches.
Hold position. We have a slight discrepancy on the port actuator.
Adjusting now. Clear. Proceeding with the final sequence.
The doors on the F-35 Lightning II are sequenced to open before gear extension and close after gear retraction.
Okay, easy now. Clear on the starboard side.
Pressure line secure. Torquing the final bolt now.
The canopy is made from polycarbonate material that can withstand bird strikes at high speed.
We've secured the primary linkage. The actuator response looks nominal.
Confirmed. The locking sequence initiated smoothly.
We need to cover this discontinuity right here.
Yes, the diagram specifies full coverage on the door seam.
The matte gray finish appears uniform without the typical aircraft rivet patterns. The smooth composite construction and
The electromagnetic gauge shows coating thickness of 0.015 inches, exactly within specification.
Test sequence active. Confirm power stabilization on the JDAM.
Stand by. Power levels nominal. Proceeding with the lock sequence.
Test point 49er confirmed stable on bus 1.
Ground power holding nominal, ready for the next sequence.
The test equipment can simulate sensor inputs and monitor system responses, verifying the avionics on the F-35 Lightning II function correctly.
Locked on target. Fuel pressure nominal. Clear to crank.
Idle parameters look good on 2 and 3.
Confirmed. Moving to the next sequence.
Run complete. Engine checks passed. Cleared for taxi testing. Check the pressure reading on auxiliary panel 4. The telemetry shows levels, conforming to the pre-flight profile.
Good. Systems check complete. Flight controls full and free. Flapper on.
Check's good.
Stabilators and rudder.
Confirmed.
Flight control test. Electrical systems. Fuel quantity. Checklist refuel door closed. Closing canopy. Clear for engine start. Altitude 15,000, airspeed 300 knots. Initiating roll to the left, response is immediate and stable.
Data link established on port 3.
Check the actuator temps on the left wing, see how they match the models.
The handling characteristics are exceptional, and the system performance data looks rock solid. We couldn't ask for a better first flight.
Access panel is clear.
Primary cable connected, ready for data retrieval.
Initiating download sequence now.
All flight inspection checks are complete.
Confirmed. No anomalies found on the landing gear or engine.
The fighter performed flawlessly. All parameters are green. We have achieved stabilized flight performance.
Copy that.
The F-35 is ready for the next phase.
The weapons separation testing on the F-35 Lightning II verifies bombs and missiles can be employed safely throughout. Major, congratulations on completing the flight test. The Air Force officially accepts this F-35.
Thank you, Colonel. She's ready to defend the nation.
Ensure the temperature is stabilized before we apply the tail flash.
Roger that. The adhesive needs a clean surface.
Crypto keys loaded and verified.
Affirmative. Enabling classified systems now. This represents a monumental achievement in aviation. On behalf of the Air Force, we proudly accept this incredible machine into the fleet.